We're on highway 226 going to highway 293.
We are going to Baansuan Na Hassidin, New landmark in Surin province.
We've never been there, so we're going to go check it out today.
20 rides.
Continue for 5 kilometers.
We have to U-turn, maybe.
Yeah, we're not going to do what the GPS said. We're going to turn this spot and cut across. Well, I sure didn't plan for the wind, and I didn't bring my microphone with me. Ill prepared. This place is very nice. It's new. And what's the name?
Baansuan Na Hassidin, the side there.
And the restrooms are all the way here in the back, so we had to come here first. So we're starting in the back and working our way forward. All donations 20 baht.
For
Oh, for fish food. Oh, I got you.
for bottle 20 baht. And you can put money here.
This place is 20 rai.
That's the side.
On the weekends you have to pay to come in here, but on the weekdays it's free.
You can donate.
So are these places where you can go eat?
No, go eat there.
What are these? I think they're places you can go eat.
No, go eat the big one.
What's it say on the sign on top?
That's it, the name. Baansuan Na Hassidin.
What's the,
Yes, Baansuan Na
Same thing?
Hassidin. Yes.
so I'm handicapped. I can't read it, so we're guessing. Gotta watch out for water. So, not knowing what the signs are telling me, we're just gonna walk and guess. There was something mentioned about a turtle car, so I'm guessing it's a Volkswagen that's sitting over there. Kind of cute. So anybody who can read Thai, if you just put in the comments what these things actually are. You can see the little animals that are in there. I think goats and maybe sheep. Yeah, I think it's a petting zoo, and if you want to go in and pet, it looks like the price is 50 baht to go in. So there's goats in there.
You cannot go inside. You can only pay 50 baht.
I know, I saw that.
เชิญค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะเชิญค่ะ
Looks like a snack shop. You know, they have coffees and slushes and what have you. Nice mist blowing from the water around here, keeping it cool. I'm assuming this is the turtle car. It's about a 1979 Volkswagen. Ichitan, some sort of a spaceship. New construction going on all around. Another coffee shop here. And the big one you said is what? That's the cafe where you go in to eat. We walked around it because there's restrooms right over there beside it on the far side, but they're closed. You can't get into them. Okay, I just exited the turtle car area. Up here is all new construction, so they've actually got a lot accomplished here for the amount of time that it's been open. We've heard about it for a while, but we've never come by. Super highway sign up there on top says Surin 214, Udom Chok Chai, and Chong Chom. Chong Chom is where at the border to Cambodia. Cop. Suzuki motorcycle. You can support the place by buying their products here. This is Baansuan Na Hassidin. We got the caramel mocha latte and green tea. Okay, everybody, we're a little tat going by. We're at
Baansuan Na Hassidin.
Yeah, that's what she said. I had a practice, but the that threw me off. Anyhow, this is a nice place to walk around. If you have kids especially, it's a good place for them. Have a little petting area. And,
Exercise.
yeah, it's good exercise just to walk around it. So anyhow, we hope you enjoy the content. This is Bobby and Jila. Time to get going.
Out.
We're out.